Hello, friends. On December 5th, 1945, at 2:10 p.m., 5 torpedo bomber planes took off from Florida. This flight was known as Flight 19. They were set to conduct a 3-hour training mission, a regular routine mission, and not something special. Flight 19 had 14 crew members led by a very experienced pilot and war veteran. These 5 planes flew eastwards from Florida, and everything was normal with clear weather. However, about 2 hours into the flight, their squadron leader reported issues with their compass. His compass had stopped working, and even the backup compass failed. They were unsure of their position. The squadron leader, Lieutenant Charles Carroll Taylor, inquired with the other pilots, but their instruments were also malfunctioning. A series of confusing messages were received via radio transmissions. Taylor said, "Both of my compasses are out, and I'm trying to find Fort Lauderdale. I'm over land, but it's broken. I am sure I am in the Keys, but I don't know how far down, and I don't know how to get to Fort Lauderdale." The weather gradually worsened. At 4:56 p.m., Taylor believed their aircraft was actually over the Gulf of Mexico, so he commanded the rest to fly east to return to Florida. However, some crew members thought they were already at Hawaii and needed to fly west to get home. After Taylor's command, one plane's radio transmission suggested flying west instead. "Just fly west. We would get home. Head west, damn it." Despite the disagreement, the weather kept deteriorating, and by 7:04 p.m., Taylor's last transmission was received. After this, all 5 planes disappeared forever. To this day, we don't know their fate. After Flight 19 went missing, a search and rescue aircraft with 13 crew members took off to find them. This aircraft also vanished. Thus, 14 crew members from Flight 19 and 13 from the rescue aircraft disappeared. A massive search operation, one of the largest of its time, was conducted for several days, but no traces of the planes or crew were found. Interestingly, the area where both planes vanished is known today as the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a mysterious part of the ocean where more than 100 planes and ships have disappeared without a trace. This area stretches from Florida in the USA to Puerto Rico and up to Bermuda, forming a triangular zone covering over 500,000 square miles. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle dates back over 500 years. In 1492, when Christopher Columbus was exploring the New World, he reported that his compass malfunctioned in this area, and one night he saw a strange light like a fireball falling into the sea. This marked the beginning of the mystery. Over the centuries, many names have been given to this area, such as the Graveyard of the Atlantic and the Sea of Sargasso. The term Bermuda Triangle was first used in 1964 in an article titled "The Deadly Bermuda Triangle" in Argosy magazine by Vincent Gaddis. He compiled many disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, attempting to link them and create a sense of mystery. One notable incident was the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in 1918, one of the U.S. Navy's largest and fastest ships, used during World War I to transport troops and coal. On March 4th, 1918, with 306 people on board and 11,000 tons of manganese, it departed from Baltimore, Maryland, towards Brazil. Despite favorable weather and a safe departure, the ship vanished without a trace. Another eerie incident was the 1881 case of the Ellen Austin, a 210-foot-long ship traveling from London to New York. It encountered an unidentified ship near the Bermuda Triangle, which had no crew on board but was intact with valuables. The captain of Ellen Austin sent some crew members to sail the mysterious ship alongside them. After a storm, the unidentified ship vanished again, along with the new crew members. Such stories have led to various theories, including alien abductions, sea monsters, and unusual magnetic fields causing navigational issues. Scientific explanations suggest that the geographic and magnetic North Poles differ, causing compass errors. The Bermuda Triangle is also a shallow area prone to hidden shoals where ships could get stuck. Frequent hurricanes and water spouts in the region add to the risks. One plausible scientific theory involves methane hydrates. Methane bubbles in the water can reduce its density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly without warning. However, no direct evidence links methane to the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. Psychological explanations like the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon or frequency illusion suggest that people notice and remember more incidents in the Bermuda Triangle because of its mysterious reputation. Many supposed incidents are unverified or exaggerated. The U.S. Coast Guard and NOAA do not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a uniquely hazardous area, noting that similar disappearances occur worldwide. The Bermuda Triangle's fame likely results from a combination of frequent maritime traffic, hurricane activity, and human error, rather than any inherent mystery. I hope you found this story informative. Thank you.